We can insert calculated field in a pivot table. We prepared a table that consists of 3 columns: company names, revenue, and cost. To insert calculated field in a pivot table, we will select the entire table. This is our database. Then go to Insert tab, Pivot Table option, and the entire table is already selected, and we will just click OK. The pivot table appears in a new sheet, which is sheet 5 in our case. In this structure, we will drag the company name into rows field and the revenue and cost into the values field. Now we will insert another field, which is profit, which will be a calculated field. To insert the field, we will click Pivot Table Design, and from there we will click Field, Item and Sets, and thereafter we will click Calculated Field. In the calculated field, name, first we will type the name of the field, which will be profit, and we will use the formula which will calculate the profit. The formula always starts with a equal sign, therefore we will put a equal sign, and the profit formula will be revenue minus cost. We will double click revenue field and press the minus sign from keyboard, and thereafter double click cost from the value fields. Then we will click OK. We can see that the profit field has just arrived into the pivot table, is added with the pivot table. We can also calculate the profit percentage. To calculate the profit percentage, we will again insert a new calculated field. Its name is profit percentage. And what will be the formula for calculating profit percentage? Profit percentage is profit out of cost. We will keep this within parenthesis or within first bracket, multiplied by 100. Okay. The profit percentage is added with the pivot table. All the two fields, profit and profit percentage, are calculated fields. If we look closely into the profit percentage, there is a minus profit percentage, which indicates that the company has incurred a loss because its cost is greater than its revenue. Therefore, it has incurred a loss. The profit percentage column, there are many numbers after the decimal places. We can round up this number from number format. In the number format, we will set up to 2 decimal places. The profit percentage is calculated. Thank you.